Hi, it's Mrs. Carter. I'm here to read you a story. It's called Doggone Dogs by Karen Beaumont, and the pictures are by David Kittrow. As the morning sun peeks through the dark, doggone dogs begin to bark. No dogs, down dogs, sit dogs, hey! Doggone dogs do not obey. They turn and run the other way. Lucky lady, Rita Curly, no dogs, no, it's still too early. Queenie Weenie, Meanie Mo, Bubba, BG, no, don't go. Get them all running out and being crazy in the early morning. I like this guy hanging onto the tail. 1 dog, 2 dogs, 3 dogs, 4. Doggone dogs run out the door. 5 dogs, 6 dogs, 7 dogs, 8. Doggone dogs run through the gate. And they're going to Central Bark instead of Central Park. 9 dogs, 10 dogs, bark, bark, bark. Doggone dogs run to the park. They're going to Perfect Pooch Obedience School. That's like doggy school, where they learn to obey. 10 dogs running here and there. Doggone dogs run everywhere. Come dogs, sit dogs, lie down, stay. Doggone dogs do not obey. They turn and run the other way. I think this guy wants to go down the slide. No, dogs! No, don't go! Pee-you! Doggone dogs, what did you do? Call the troops, we need 10 scoops to clean up all this doggone poop. That's it! I quit, the trainer yells. Because of you, this whole park smells. All they want to do is play. They dump the trash, they climb, they spring. They make a mess of everything. Take these doggone dogs away. Get them out of here, I say. Can you see that sign? It says, if you stop to poop, please stop to scoop. That means don't leave your doggies poo-poo in the park. Locked up behind the metal gate. 10 sad dogs await their fate. 1, 2, 3 dogs, 4 dogs, 5. Will their owners soon arrive? No bow-wowing. 6 dogs, 7 dogs, 8 dogs, 9. Doggone dogs begin to whine. 10 dogs ponder what to do. Doggone dogs don't have a clue. But as the guard drifts off to sleep, Curly bravely takes a leap. She's gonna escape. Then Queenie, Weenie, Meanie, Mo dig and climb up, heave ho. put to use those tricks they know. Lucky Lady, Rita, go! Bubba, BG, run dogs, climb! The last two sneak out just in time. And there's the guard. He's like, whoa, where'd the dogs go? 10 dogs, 9 dogs, 8 dogs, wait! Doggone dogs, run through the gate. Seven dogs, 6 dogs, 5 dogs, 4. Doggone dogs, run through the door. Three dogs, 2 dogs, 1 dog, done. Bow wow wow, now that was fun. Doggone dogs, from 1 to 10. Cannot wait to do it again. That's a cute book. I like this book. This is called Doggone Dogs by Karen Beaumont. It actually has an AR on it, so if you want to watch the video and listen to the story again, the quiz number, if you want to take an AR on it, is 166504. 166504. You can take an AR on this quiz called Doggone Dogs.